Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jen. I am back with another process video. Today I'm going to use the September Planner Society kits, and I'm going to do another layout or memory keeping layout in my traveler's notebook, or my standard size insert for my standard size planner. And I just have this cut file. I already cut the papers or the little shapes out from my Silhouette Cameo. And I'm going to do a memory keeping page spread on a photo of my daughter when she turned 8 years old. There's a picture of her and my other kids, and they're just holding balloons, or this one balloon that is a number 8. So I cut out these files of balloons and little presents, and I'm going to back up these cut files with the papers from the main kit in September. And I just love these colors. I think they're so much fun, and they're so perfect for fall and September. And I'm really excited because I'm trying to fill up this insert with all TPS papers, and it's looking good so far. And I think I only have like a couple pages left, so I'm really excited to do a flip through of that when it's done. So there I'm just showing you what I did. I backed up the papers with I backed up the cut files with the papers, and then I went ahead and I did some hand stitching with some coordinating thread. And then now I'm just cutting out a little hillside. It's going to look like a hillside. And I also hand stitched that paper with some lavender thread, because inside of the flowers there's an accent color of lavender, and I just thought that was really, really pretty. So I'm just showing you the process. It actually took a lot longer than I thought it would take, but it was a lot of fun. I haven't hand stitched anything in a long time, so here I'm just backing up my picture. I'm just matting it with some of this navy paper. I love the navy color, or the navy paper. It's so pretty. I'm just going to glue everything down. I'm going to find placement for everything for the picture, and I wanted the presents to surround them, but I cut them a little bit too big. I should have cut them a little smaller. And on the other side of the spread, I'm going to have a bouquet of balloons, and then I'm just taking some twine to mimic the balloon strings. I'm just going to glue that down. And then the die cuts in the kit came with a bunch of these really pretty gold foiled flowers, or sorry, bows. So that is going to be holding down the bouquet of balloons. So I'm just going to glue that down. And then there are also some butterflies in the die cuts. So those will be flying off of the page, and the title would be Celebrate, and then I'm going to put a little hooray at the bottom. They're like little chunky, puffy word stickers that I have in my stash, and they're gold, so it matches the kits perfectly because the metallic in this kit is gold. And I also liked how it matches the balloon in my picture, because the balloon is gold as well. I'm so sorry about that clip. That previous clip was a little blurry. I'm not sure what happened. It just my camera lost focus, I guess. But it's clear now. So that is my process video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. And thanks so much for watching.